strobe and the camera go pop, 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 pop. Hello, welcome to my channel. We're gonna turn this old wig into a new wig. Not really, but you get the concept. But I gotta do my hair for the week for work. It's Sunday here. And this is how the hair is looking. That's the hair I wanna wear. The one in my head is fine, but I wanna change. But this is how it's looking. It's looking really rough. It smells good actually. I did wear it and still have glue on it, so I'm gonna try to take off the glue and then wash the hair. And this is the hair freshly washed. I have to detangle it, but let's do this. So I'm cutting the lace to where it's not all straight how it was, so it could look like a natural hairline. So I went ahead and took the wig off my head. And y'all, it didn't hurt. And as y'all can see, it was not on my edges. So I did not pull my edges, I think. And it was not glued down. It was just the ebony spray that I used. Now I'm just going to clean my hairline, take that spray off. So for my ball cap method, the way I do it is I mark down where I'm gonna cut down the list prior of me gluing the list. So I just map the wig hairline with the cap, and then I glue behind where I marked down. So if you guys want a detailed video of my ball cap method, make sure y'all comment down below and let me know. And next time I do it, I'll make sure to record every step of it. So I went in with my glue. I put it on the cap and just a little bit in front of my of where I cut the cap. That's just the way I do it, but I mainly go use it on the cap. So after my glue is dry, I did 2 layers of glue. I kind of lined the wig where I wanted to place, and then I placed it there. Make sure you line it up first, because you don't want it to be where you don't want it. And I just pressed it down. I did it in sections, so I did the middle, and then I glued down the side, and then do the other side. So I did mine in section. That's what works better for me instead of doing the whole thing. It's easier on me. So after I melt the list, I took it off. I didn't do much. I usually spray the ebon spray more and then dry it and go to bed with it like that. But for some reason for this video, I didn't do that. So that I did felt like everything was glued on. It was fine. That's how it came out. I didn't tint the list or anything. This was nighttime and I wanted to go to bed because I had to be up early for PT. So that's how I end up. And when I do PT, I go to sleep with the elastic band on my edges, and I ended up going to PT with it. And when I come back, I style my hair for work. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. And if y'all need something, if y'all want me to do something or try something, let me know in the comment and I'll be happy to do it. I think this install did came out really good. I was feeling myself a little. Thank you for watching.